We are Numbers for Design Minnesota. We provide customized accounting for interior design success. Minnesota has a new retail delivery fee that is in effect starting July 1st of 2024. It applies to all retail deliveries of personal property or taxable items in Minnesota. The fee is 50 cents per transaction. So the fee by itself is not very high, but it applies to every delivery transaction. So if, for example, you had 5 delivery transactions in a month, it will apply to each one of them. More than the fee, the act of tracking and monitoring and reporting, I think, is going to be a much more cumbersome task. Retail delivery fee does not apply if you didn't do more than $1 million in sales in the prior year, or if you're a marketplace provider and you didn't do about 100,000 in sales in the prior year. So this is a good thing for smaller interior designers, newly started up retailers, because they might not hit these targets and they will have some time to mature before they have to start collecting and paying this fee. Free shipping doesn't impact it. The retail delivery fee is not refundable if the items are refunded. Only if the retail delivery itself is cancelled, then the retail delivery fee is refundable. Items that are normally tax exempt, like wholesale items and grocery items, do not have the retail delivery fee. The seller is responsible for collecting this tax. So the interior designers, because they are the final sellers selling it to the end client, they will be responsible for this. This fee is applicable when you're delivering items in Minnesota. Doesn't matter if you're an out of state retailer or a Minnesota retailer. Most of our softwares have sales tax rates, which is a percentage of the invoice price. So those are easy to enter, calculate, monitor. You have Avalara, you have TaxJar, you have all these software companies that will do it if you're big enough. And QuickBooks has a in-house sales tax calculator. But this is a fee of a flat rate per delivery transaction. So you have to be careful in data entry to make sure deliveries are tracked separately so that you can calculate the fee and pay it to the state. The state also said that the retail delivery fee, if it's stated separately on an invoice, then you can avoid paying sales tax on it. If you decide not to state it separately in an invoice, then it'll be part of the invoice price, then you're paying sales tax on the retail delivery fee. Using a software and having a person conversant with the rules review and update the sales tax, uh, in my experience, has been the best option to make sure the sales tax is calculated correctly and paid accurately uh, without costly interest and penalties. We are Numbers for Design Minnesota, and you can reach us at accounting@n4dmn.com. Thank you.